Okay, I'm going to show you how to create like a brush for Blackletter. So the first thing that you have to do, you have to sketch, okay, your letter font on paper or on your iPad. It depends your preference. Just sketch rough structure like this, okay, and after that you just place the picture by go to File and place or Shift Control P, alright, for PC and Shift Command P for Macs, okay. And after that, right, the thing that you have to do is draw the letter form on top of this um, pictures, right? So how to create a brush to the questions by one of the students. To answer one that question is, you have to open the window first and then okay, just go to window, okay, select brushes here, okay, it's very easy. Just go to three dots here and click new brush here, select calligraphic brush and click OK. So you have to give it a name, so I'm going to give it the name like textura, okay, this is textura styles, right, of Blackletter. How about the angle? If we speak about calligraphy, okay, calligraphic stroke, right, the angle probably be between 30 to 40, something like that. I'm going to give it 25, something around that, and you adjust around it, okay, to like just 2% or 3%, no more than 4%, right? I'm going to give it like 3. About the size, I might give it like 20, like this, okay, and click OK. So after that, okay, and after that, okay, I already create some of the letter form here, right, as you can see it here. Now you just press P on your keyboard, right, zoom in, okay, make sure that you lock the layer that you can like place the reference picture on, okay, so that you it's not going to move while you draw the pictures, okay, or the letter form here. And we're going to like draw it from the, you know, the center like this. I'm going to switch it, make sure that there's no fill color, and then select the brush that we created. Okay, as you can see, we have this nice shape here, like a Blackletter. And here, just for example, how about this? Okay, and after that we can like adjust the point, okay, to match the sketch, okay. You can also export, okay, the expand the letter form, okay, and after that you adjust the angle and all the details over there. Like this, okay. Yeah, it's pretty nice, right? I'll come back for the G, okay. Just like this. And you can also repeat some of the letter form that you think that share common characteristic, okay. Right, and select this, okay. A, move it above here, okay. That is pretty nice. Around a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty nice, right? And you move the anchor point to link with the body of the, you know, the D like this. Okay, and you can also like adjust the Bezier curve here. Okay. And next C, right? Okay, that's pretty nice. And then we can like move the vertex or the point again, okay, the anchor point, make it more refined and closer to the sketch, but it doesn't have to like follow the sketch like correctly. You can make an adjustment, okay. something like this. Okay, that is pretty fun, right? Yeah, that's pretty nice. Then you draw like a shape of the tail here. Okay, and you have to move it a little bit closer. Yeah. About this one, right? It's going hard to draw like a shape over there because of the angle of the tail. So what we could do is we could copy it. Just copy this part, right? And then we use reflex tool. Okay. Oh, sorry. No, we can't do that. Sorry. Okay. We have to expand it. And then after that, we move it. Okay. Just use the reflex tool here. Just go to rotate or click O on your keyboard like this. Okay. Or just click reflex tool like this. And move the tail just closer inside. Okay, we can make an adjustment later. You can also cut some of the part of the tail that not relate to the shape, okay, by using Pathfinder again. Where is Pathfinder? Go to Window. Our Pathfinder will pops up. Where's Pathfinder? Where's my Pathfinder? Okay, Pathfinder. Ungroup it. Oh, sorry. You choose this part and this part, right? And you break it apart. Okay. Move it a little bit. If it's not working, kind of like move it a little bit and try to find, you know, the perfect angle. But you can refine it later. Don't worry. So now we have some of the letter form. We can also create E based on D. It shares common characteristic, right? Okay. That's the branch. Okay, and we're going to draw that part again, right? This one. Then adjust the position of the point a little bit. Okay, something like this. Okay, so just keep doing your job. Okay, keeping drawing it. Okay, and then after that, don't forget to expand all the letter form